Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where classic legends live again. Today, we're diving into one of Chevrolet's finest automotive works of the 1930s, the Chevrolet Series AD Universal from 1930. This car represents more than just a means of transport, it symbolizes the innovation, ambition, and craftsmanship of an era when America was bouncing back from hard times with style and determination. The 1930 Chevrolet Series AD Universal was Chevrolet's offering for buyers looking for quality, durability, and affordability in the early years of the Great Depression. It replaced the Series AC and came with noticeable changes that helped it stay ahead of the curve during tough economic times. The first thing anyone would notice about the Series AD is its timeless exterior design. The 1930 model retained the basic boxy shape of earlier vehicles but added a more refined touch. The fenders were larger, and the grille became more upright and squared, giving the front end a stronger visual presence. The chrome-plated radiator shell added a premium feel, while the bold Chevrolet script badge on the grille reminded you who made it. The wheels featured wire spokes, and running boards connected the front and rear fenders. Compared to its predecessor, the Series AD felt sturdier and more grown up. It had a longer wheelbase, up to 107 inches, which not only enhanced road presence but also made it more comfortable for passengers. It came in several body styles, including coupe, sedan, and roadster, each appealing to a different type of customer. One update that was well received was the new, more stylish sun visor integrated above the windshield, giving it a practical yet sharp profile. The taillights, although simple, were functional and neatly placed. Overall, for a car from 1930, it looked elegant, proportional, and surprisingly sophisticated. Under the hood, the Chevrolet Series AD Universal was powered by a 3.2-liter inline six-cylinder engine, commonly referred to as the Stovebolt Six. It produced 50 horsepower, which was quite impressive for its time, especially considering its competition. This engine helped Chevrolet cement its reputation for offering six-cylinder power at the price of a four-cylinder. It ran smoothly, had better balance compared to four-cylinder engines, and made the car ideal for both city cruising and rural travel. The car was fitted with a 3-speed manual transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels. Performance-wise, the Series AD wasn't built for speed, but it had decent acceleration for a vehicle of its era. It could reach a maximum speed of around 65 miles per hour, which was more than enough given the road conditions of the time. The ride quality was modest but reliable, thanks to its semi-elliptic leaf springs and solid axle suspension system. Braking came from four-wheel mechanical brakes, which were standard back then and did the job reasonably well when maintained properly. In terms of fuel economy, the 1930 Series AD Universal offered an average of around 14 to 18 miles per gallon, depending on the body type and driving conditions. For its time, this was acceptable, especially for a six-cylinder engine. Given its weight and build, this car was efficient enough for daily use and longer travel. Now let's talk about the value of this classic gem in today's market. Pricing for the 1930 Chevrolet Series AD varies significantly depending on condition, originality, and body style. A well-restored example can fetch anywhere between $18,000 and $30,000 in the current classic car market. Rare body styles or models with original parts and factory specifications can reach even higher. On the other hand, a project car or one that needs a full restoration might cost around $6,000 to $10,000, depending on completeness and rust condition. The Chevrolet Series AD Universal was a vehicle that represented hope and innovation during a difficult time in American history. It offered people a way to travel, to connect, and to move forward. Today, it serves as a window into a bygone era, a reminder of how far automotive technology and design have come. Yet, its classic lines, solid engineering, and undeniable charm continue to capture the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts around the world. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car. If you're a fan of vintage vehicles, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a journey back in time. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the stories alive.